Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. Or if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath & Body Works hand soap haul with you. I've got some of the new fragrances, and I've got quite a bit here because I really needed to replenish my supply. So let's just jump right in. First up, I got Lavender Marshmallow, and I love the purple. It's so cute. So this is lavender, vanilla, marshmallow, and warm amber. And did I get more than one? Yeah, okay. So I actually got two of these. I love lavender, and of course I love anything sweet and candy-like, so. Okay, this smells, got a little bit on my lip. This smells like lavender and marshmallow, but it's got a perfumey note. And I was really hoping that it was going to be like Dream in the Sky, which I love. It's like lavender clouds and marshmallow and butter. And it does smell similar to that. Yeah, I like this. But it's really heavy on the lavender, whereas Dream in the Sky is more heavy on the marshmallow note. So that is Lavender Marshmallow. Happy about that. Next, I got Blueberry Lemonade. This is an online exclusive that I've really been wanting to try. Just hadn't gotten around to it. So this is sugared lemonade, blueberries, and crushed ice. You okay, buddy? My dog's whining. You okay? Okay, love you. He doesn't like the camera, you guys. Whenever I try to film him, he turns his head away. Oh, okay, so this smells like sugary lemonade. Very strong on the sugary lemonade, like a country time lemonade. And I'm not really not getting much blueberry, but a little bit of blueberry. So that's nice and fruity. And I really like the packaging. I like the blue and the yellow. It looks bright and happy. Next, I got BU Sweet Sugar Sprinkles. And very cute, festive packaging. Sugared strawberry, whipped vanilla, and sprinkles. So, this smells soapy. Like a soapy vanilla with a hint of fruit. It's okay. It's okay. Not what I was expecting, but it's nice. I picked up a clearance vanilla bean Noel. Fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, and sugar cookies. And they have really packaged this up. Sorry, I'm sure you guys can hear him barking. But anywho, I'm not going to tear into that. But vanilla bean Noel is a classic. You guys know that. It's like rich, sugary caramel and vanilla. Yeah, so it was only like $3. So I was like, yeah, I got to get that. Next, I picked up one I'm really looking forward to. Pink Petal Tea Cake. And how many did I get? I got 3 of them. And here's the packaging. This one is retired, but I'm hoping that they come out with more than just the hand soap. This is pink rose petals, pound cake, and vanilla glaze. Ooh, that is lovely. Like, you get like the soft, dusty rose, but it's sweet. And you definitely get like a cake note. Oh, that is so lovely. Yeah. Not disappointed in that. That is Pink Petal Tea Cake. Got 3 of those. Then I picked up, how many? A Black Cherry Merlot. because I love this one. This is dark cherry, black raspberry, and Merlot. And really heavy on the syrupy, sweet cherry and Merlot wine. I love this one. That is black cherry Merlot. Oh, I did. I got another lavender marshmallow. Just shows you how much I love lavender and sugary bakery scents. And then I picked up my beloved strawberry pound cake. I got 2 of these. And they have several packaging for this one. I got the simplistic one that was available online. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And I'm actually wearing strawberry pound cake today, and it's so lovely. It's like a strawberry shortcake or strawberry cheesecake scent. Very sweet, very bakery. And I adore it. So my box is empty. Thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.